Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how to log in to First in Math and what you're going to be doing in First in Math when you get there today. So on your iPad you're going to click on Class Link. This icon right here, this is what it looks like, Class Link. I'm on my laptop so it looks a little bit different, but either way you're going to find the button that looks like this and mine says Sign in with Quick Card. So I'm going to click on that so I can scan my Quick Card. So it scans my Quick Card, and now I see all of my apps. Most of these apps I'm going to be able to access now without having to put a password in. So that's the greatest thing about a Quick Card. I don't need a password anymore. So I click right into First in Math, and here I have my home screen. I'm going to click on Elementary. And now that I'm in Elementary, I'm going to show you some of the different options we have for First in Math. We have Just the Facts, Very Important Facts, Practice Gyms, Skill Sets, Know and Show, some bonus games, go down so you can see it, Measurement World, and Computational Thinking. We're going to use these icons the most throughout the school year. Today, we're going to start in the practice gyms, and let me show you why. I'm not sure if you saw this last year, but here's a checklist for First in Math goals. Now, most checklists start at the top and you work your way down. So once you achieve this goal, you would move on to this goal. Then once you achieve this gold star goal, you would move on to this goal. So this is just a checklist to make sure we achieve as many goals as we can in second grade. Now, since this is the very, very beginning of second grade, we are all on the same goal. We are here. Silver stars in addition practice gyms levels 1 through 5. Let me show you what that means. Here we are at the practice gyms. I'm going to click on it, and then whole numbers. We're not doing fractions or decimals. That's too much right now. So whole numbers and addition. Now here we have 12 different levels. The first goal just asks us to get silver stars from 1 to 5. And once you achieve a silver star, you'll actually get to see a little silver star on the outside where this 1 is. So let's see how we can do that. So level 1 is just adding +1 to numbers. So I'm going to press start. And the sum is 3. Which two numbers can I add together to get 3? Could I add 2 plus 1 or 4 plus 1? I hope you said 2 plus 1. Now my sum is 5. Which two numbers or two add-ins equal 5? 3 plus 1 or 4 plus 1? There we go. So you would go through all of this level 1 as quickly and correctly as possible. And then when you're done, hopefully you'll have a silver star or a gold star, and you can move on to level 2, which would be +2 facts. Okay, so let me show you one more time. You're going to go into Class Link, First in Math, Elementary, Practice Gyms, Whole Numbers, Plus, and Level 1. Today your assignment is to play in First in Math for 20 minutes. I hope you have fun.